So good morning from the basement workshop. At the moment we're just taking a look at the last prints of yesterday, removing them as always. Piece of cake, clean the bed a little. Nice print. I just re-sliced these ones, so the bed adhesion, I don't know if you can see this, is much better now. The warping is kind of gone, not typically, but just take a look at the other one I took off yesterday. Can I get this to focus? Yes, use your nose tip. Here we go. Perhaps a little far away. Yeah, so this one is not that warped anymore. And we only have one more to go. 3 down. One more to go now. And set that up quickly. There we go. 1 hour 6 minutes. Just choose the right one. K factor is set, and we're off heating the bed. So we'll have to take a look into this one, into our list. Here we go. Piston is made, and we're on for the piston cover, part number 5. So punch it in here. No note control. Piston cover. Here we go. K factor set, and off we go. So first impression of the morning: solid prints over the last few days with only slight warping issues. That was due to the setting of the first layer. I put it to 90%, and then we had the kind of situation you don't want to have with these parts warping. Well, clean these up a little, but we're good for now. And okay, done for this time. Update is done, and see you all tomorrow. Have a happy printing day.